Oh, he's on the phone. Silver 4x4 in front of the delivery van. No attention paid at all. Are they going or not? I guess they're not going. So this Lima Juliet 23 Sierra Bravo Whiskey. I saw the driver on his phone. Doesn't mean he'll still be on it. Hi, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I don't think you're meant to be holding your phone with the lit up screen.
Okay.
You know I'm going to report it, right? So in 2 weeks you're going to decide, the police will decide whether they're going to prosecute you or not.
Okay.
Please put it away.
Alright, okay.
No, I can't make him do anything, but you know. And he's closed the app that he was on. Now it's resting on his side, but the screen's still lit up. Off we go.